This video will cover the installation of Wagonmeister snow caps for early and late model 240s. This can be completed over a coffee break. If installing onto a 1975 to 1985 240, you will receive one fiberglass cap and a pair of spacers, screws, and blocks. If you are installing onto a 1986 to 1993 240, you will receive two fiberglass caps and two pairs of screws, spacers, and blocks. For both models, start by inserting the screws top down. Place the plastic spacer over the bottom of the screw and partially thread the anchor block onto the screw. Position the cap over the cowl and slip the blocks through the slots. For the late model 240s, these will fit through the slots second from the outside edge, and for the early model 240s, these will fit on the outermost slots. The early model snow caps also feature a center post, which you will first slide forward, then you will push down on the backside so that it locks into position. Use a standard screwdriver to hold the blocks into place while tightening the screws. You want the blocks to be perpendicular with the slots so that they retain the cap to the cowl. Check proper fitment by opening your hood and checking for clearance of the snow caps. After that, you're all done. Enjoy your Volvo 240.